Investors, almost exactly a year ago, I filmed a stock talk titled Federal Reserve Balance Sheet, Commercial Banking, and My Nightmares. Here's the link. The thumbnail was a photo of me on a couch trying to unsuccessfully sleep for the night as I worried about the potentially disastrous state of the Federal Reserve's balance sheet and bank balance sheets during the rapid rise in interest rates in 2022. That was pre-Silicon Valley Bank implosion, pre-run on a few other poorly positioned regional banks, and an additional $2 trillion in 2023 deficits our federal government is running. I'm Chris Perras, Chief Investment Officer with Oak Harvest Financial Group, and this is our investment team's midweek release when we examine a news item, headline, or story making the rounds from publicly available sources, and we ask, is it news or is it noise for your money? This week, I want to update our prior discussions from a year ago on the Federal Reserve's balance sheet, its ongoing operating losses, and its unrealized mark-to-market losses that are likely well over $1 trillion and counting after the second quarter of 2023. Investors, this is big news for your money and will likely shape many decisions by both the Fed and the Treasury in quarters, years, and potentially the decade to come. The good news here is that if you want to get caught up to speed on this topic right now, a research analyst we follow, Avi Gilbert, has an absolutely fantastic, detailed write-up he just posted on a research website that many investors use. That website, Seeking Alpha. Here's the link to Avi's piece. Investors, take 10 to 15 minutes and read Avi's piece. It's up-to-date math and status of my Federal Reserve balance sheet and operating losses from a year ago. In fact, the only thing I would change in this is the title. I would have gone with, the Federal Reserve has lost $1 trillion in a year and counting, and that's not pocket change in the real banking world. Investors, massive Federal Reserve balance sheet and operating losses are huge news to investors and their money. News few in the investment community have written with so much detail as Avi. While this dynamic is unlikely to cause a market crash right now, it's been going on for over a year already. It's likely to be one of the biggest ongoing macro issues that will weigh on investors' returns, increase market volatility, and continue to creep up to the surface of the markets until something breaks in a very big way. At Oak Harvest, we think our clients are best served by us helping them plan for their future needs instead of focusing on the past. The future is always uncertain. That's why our advisors and retirement planning teams plan for your retirement needs first and your greed second. Give us a call to speak to an advisor and let us help you craft a financial plan that helps you and your family meet your retirement goals. Call us here at 877-896-0040 and schedule an advisor consultation. We're here to help you on your financial journey into and through your retirement years. For myself, the investment team, and the rest of the group here at Oak Harvest, have a blessed week.